Okay, this time we're going to add text to a surface. So it's a good idea to grab the cube that you just created. So how do we do that? Well, we go up here to this data panel, and if you click on the data panel, hopefully all your drawings that you've saved, I've got a lot here, will come up. So here's my cube that I want. So just double click on that and it should open. So I'm going to close that now and my drawings should be there. So if you look along the top here, we're in the 3D view. So you can't really add text in the 3D view. You've got to be back in the 2D view. So how do we do that? We click on Create Sketch, the plus. You can click on any surface that you like to put the text on. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to click on there. Under Create, you will see the text tool. So you click on text. Now it hasn't done anything because we haven't told the program where we want to put the text. We want to put the text here. So we come over here and we just click. All right. So you can just type your name in there if you want. I'm just going to put hello. You might want to change the height there as well because at the moment that's only 10 millimeters or a centimeter high. If you pull the blue dot, you can move it to where you would like the text to go. And if you turn that dot there, you can also rotate the text as well. Okay, so you're also able to change fonts. Unfortunately, it doesn't show us what the fonts look like, but you have to think eventually if you were going to engrave this text or push it into the shape, you'd want something that would be fairly easy to read because remember that the program's going to make it in plastic. So anything that's too detailed, you're kind of going to lose it. So you want something fairly simple. I'm going to just use Comic Sans. You can also make that bold if you want to. All right, so you just go OK. Now, once again, we need to finish that sketch, right click, and with text, you can pull it out a long way, but it's just going to lose, its effectiveness. So I would probably only go maybe 2 or even 1 for that. So you just go OK. And that's the text. So once again, when you finish that, you just want to save your drawing and we just go OK. So that's the text.